On June 7, 2025, AI Square Robotics and Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor formalized a strategic partnership in Shenzhen, deploying the advanced general-purpose humanoid robot, AlphaBot 2, to operate within an automotive manufacturing facility. This collaboration marks the first full scenario test of a domestically developed embodied AI in China's automotive sector. At the factory, AlphaBot 2 will perform a diverse range of tasks, including material handling, cart towing, quality inspection, assembly, logistics, and maintenance. The robot's operations will generate substantial real-world data, fueling a continuous feedback loop that enhances and refines the Gavla embodied foundation model through iterative improvements. This self-reinforcing data cycle strengthens the model's spatial intelligence and learning capabilities, enabling AlphaBot 2 to adapt to dynamic manufacturing environments. AlphaBot 2, equipped with the Gavla Vision Language Action, or VLA model, launched in April 2025, offers over 6 hours of battery life and a 700mm single-arm reach. Its flexible manipulation and near-human dexterity allow it to handle complex, long-horizon tasks, overcoming limitations of traditional robotics. The robot's integration into Dongfeng's assembly lines aims to enhance intelligent manufacturing, setting a new standard for automation in the automotive industry. Aheadform's latest creation, Xuan, marks a significant advancement in the ELF series, blending humanoid artistry with cutting-edge robotics. Featuring a meticulously sculpted static body and a dynamic head with sophisticated interactive systems, Xuan delivers lifelike facial expressions and engaging gaze behaviors. Tailored for public spaces, exhibitions, and premium installations, Xuan combines aesthetic elegance with collectible value, designed to captivate audiences and evoke emotional connections. A captivating YouTube video posted on September 27, 2025, showcases Elf Xuan. Watch as she gazes, slowly moves her head, and even blinks her eyes with remarkable lifelike precision. Powered by advanced AI and innovative chip technology, Elif Xuan represents the future of robotics. Tree's G1 humanoid robot just dropped a banger today with its anti-gravity mode. This bot's got serious moves, keeping perfect balance even when it takes a hit. Watch it do flips, spins, trip midair, and boom, pop right back up like gravity's a joke. Unitree trained it with thousands of RL simulations, rewarding it every time it recovers fast. It's like teaching a kid to ride a bike, but this bike's a tall metal ninja. The G1's anti-gravity mode showcases its advanced stability and rapid recovery, making it a standout in humanoid robotics, with Unitree aiming to deploy it in industrial settings like warehouses and factories for AI-driven automation. On September 16, 2025, another video showcased Unitree G1 robot's exceptional balance, agility, and resilience. The footage highlights the robot's ability to withstand impacts while maintaining stability, demonstrating cutting-edge advancements in robotics technology. On September 18, 2025, a YouTube video showcased the Unitree G1 humanoid robot's balance test, highlighting its anti-gravity mode. The G1 maintains stability under stress, performing flips and spins with rapid recovery, thanks to advanced control algorithms, trained through thousands of reinforcement learning simulations. On Wednesday, 24 September, Bay Breakers Boxing Gym at San Francisco hosted a groundbreaking event, showcasing the world's first VR-controlled humanoid robot fight. The event previewed a larger robot battle set for Friday at Temple Nightclub. Participants, including UFC fighter Emil and MMA fighter Jessica Rose Clark controlled 4.5-foot tall, 80-pound robots using VR headsets. Clark described the experience as sick and unique. Chaos ensued when both robots tripped over a keyboard thrown into the ring. The Re-C Company, the event's organizer, plans to expand globally with sponsored robot fighters, aiming to develop adult-sized robots by year's end, envisioning a RoboCop future. The upcoming Temple nightclub event will feature robots in a custom octagon, advancing VR-controlled combat sports. Popular YouTuber iShowSpeed reportedly purchased a $1 million advanced 1X neo-humanoid robot named Robert, showcasing its mind-blowing abilities in a viral video. His hilarious reactions, including a dance-off and playful interactions, captivated fans as he tested the robot's human-like movements. The stream, filled with chaotic and funny moments, highlights Speed's trend of engaging with high-tech gadgets for content.
Humanoid, a UK startup, has launched the HMND-01 Alpha, the country's first humanoid robot for industrial use. This wheeled robot, standing 220 centimeters tall, can move at 7.2 kilometers per hour and carry over 15 kilograms. It will undergo testing to refine its functions, with a beta version planned for Q3 next year. Backed by $50 million in founder-led capital, Humanoid adopts a robots-as-a-service model and employs experts from Apple, Tesla, Google, Boston Dynamics, and NVIDIA. The robot leverages AI and machine learning advancements, aligning with growing investments from firms like NVIDIA and Tesla in autonomous robotics to boost manufacturing efficiency and handle repetitive or hazardous tasks. On September 3, 2025, Figure AI showcased its Figure 02 robot, powered by the Helix system, loading a dishwasher using adaptive intelligence to handle complex tasks without specific coding. The robot managed cluttered environments, isolated plates, reoriented items like glasses with both hands, and recovered from errors. Using the same system for tasks, like laundry and package sorting, Figure 02 highlights progress toward general-purpose robots. Figure AI plans to start alpha testing in homes by late 2025, for versatile commercial and domestic use. The Cruzzer robot, made by UB Tech Robotics, is a cloud-based, intelligent service robot for professional use. It uses USLAM technology for precise indoor navigation and obstacle avoidance. The robot supports voice, facial, and touch interactions and is customizable via an open API and SDK for retail, hospitality, and healthcare. It guides visitors, provides product information, and enables secure HD video calls. With facial recognition, it offers personalized greetings. The robot auto-charges after 8 hours of use or 24 hours of standby. Human Plus, developed by Stanford University researchers, is an open-source humanoid robot that mimics human movements using a single RGB camera. It learns complex tasks like boxing, playing piano, and folding clothes through observation, achieving 60 to 100% success rates. Built on a Unitree H1 base, with Inspire Robot's hands, it's a versatile platform for advancing robotics research. Autonomous Hotel, near Russell Road and Decatur Boulevard in Las Vegas, claims to be the world's first AI-powered hotel. It has introduced Odo, a visitor-facing robot designed to elevate the guest experience. Located in the hotel lobby, Odo acts as an interactive concierge, offering jokes, historical facts, and tailored suggestions. Guests can speak to Odo via a microphone, asking questions typically handled by front desk staff. Its responses, similar to those from AI models like ChatGPT or Grok, are delivered with a physical presence. Odo manages check-ins, check-outs, and service orders, earning the title Chief Vibes Officer for its engaging, witty interactions. It supports 50 languages, aiding international guests. Hotel officials see Otto as a vision of future hospitality, with plans to open another AI-driven hotel in the Arts District. Borg Robotics, a rising innovator in automation, has introduced Robot Borg, a cutting-edge humanoid robot designed for industrial efficiency. Standing at 210 centimeters and capable of lifting 20 kilograms, it uses advanced AI for precise task execution in manufacturing. Backed by $30 million in funding, Borg Robotics aims to revolutionize repetitive task automation with its scalable, adaptive platform. Fourier Intelligence's GR3 is a 165 centimeters tall, 71 kilograms, carebot, designed for emotional connection and human-centric interaction. Featuring a soft-touch exterior and 55 degrees of freedom, it moves fluidly and responds to voice, touch, and facial expressions. Equipped with a full-perception, multimodal interaction system, GR3 excels in hospitals, schools, and elder care settings. Its open API allows customization, making it a versatile companion for care and service roles. The Walker S2, developed by UB Tech Robotics, is a 1.76-meter industrial humanoid robot designed for 24/7 operation in smart factories. It features autonomous battery swapping, enabling continuous work without human intervention, and 52 degrees of freedom for precise, human-like movements. Equipped with dual RGB cameras and advanced AI, it excels in navigation, sorting, and assembly tasks. Tested by major manufacturers like BYD and NIO, the Walker S2 boosts efficiency in logistics and manufacturing.
Next, let's talk about the Agibot X2. On September 18th, this humanoid crushed it with a Webster flip, a corkscrew backflip. That's tough even for human gymnasts. In a 30-second clip, it launches, twists, lands clean, and walks off like it's no big deal. RL's the magic here. With tons of virtual practice, making its moves super precise. It's the first bot to nail this flip, showing RL can take simulations and make them real-world awesome. On August 22nd, 2025, the Agibot X2W, a wheeled version of the Agibot X2, was unveiled. This robot features advanced manipulation intelligence with AI-powered dual arms, LiDAR, depth cameras, and tactile sensors for precise object handling. Designed for industries like logistics and manufacturing, the X2W offers enhanced mobility and adaptability for tasks such as inventory management and automated assembly. Now, let's switch to the factory vibe with XPeng's Iron Robot. It debuted at IAA Munich on September 8th, starting with barista skills, making coffee like a champ. RL helps it master smooth, human-like moves in messy environments. Picture it dodging obstacles or climbing shelves in a warehouse. XPeng's building it for full autonomy, and I'm betting we'll see some wild stunts soon. If you want pure chaos, Boston Dynamics Spot is the king. Their August 27th video shows how RL turns Spot into a parkour pro. It's leaping gaps, tweaking moves mid-air, and handling rough terrain like an Olympian. Millions of simulated jumps taught it to stay steady under pressure, and it's out there inspecting tough spots like a boss. Spot, enhanced by reinforcement learning, optimizes factory surveillance by autonomously navigating complex environments and adapting to dynamic obstacles. RL enables Spot to improve its monitoring efficiency, detecting anomalies and ensuring real-time security with minimal human intervention. A new humanoid robot named Lumen is making waves with its ability to handle tasks like pouring drinks and ironing clothes. Developed by Hubei Optics Valley Dongji, embodied intelligence technology, Lumen boasts advanced hardware with 40 degrees of movement freedom, allowing for precise and flexible actions. The robot is powered by a general-purpose embodied intelligence software model, which helps it learn and perform complex tasks. According to Qinzhen, the company's data operation manager, Lumen, is still improving and will soon complete tasks, even faster as its training progresses. For the tech fans, there's a new paper from August 26th called Learning Deployable Locomotion Control via Differentiable Simulation. It's a big deal for RL and legged robots. They figured out how to train bots and software to do crazy stunts like jumping over stuff without real-world crashes. The result? Bots that go from sim to reality with perfect trots and jumps. This is the future of robots that don't just walk, they dominate. The documentary on HMND Series E01 Humanoid Robot, released on September 18, 2025, documents the UK-based humanoid team's 7-month endeavor to create the HMND01 Alpha, a wheeled humanoid robot for industrial applications. It captures the breakthroughs, challenges, and collaborative efforts spanning London, Boston, and Vancouver, with expertise from firms like Boston Dynamics. The film highlights how reinforcement learning and AI integration accelerated development, positioning HMN-D01 to tackle labor shortages in logistics and manufacturing. Yunmu Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Corporation, a Suzhou-based industrial automation firm founded in 2021, has shifted from control systems and actuators to developing lifelike humanoid robots, gaining attention at the 2025 World Robot Conference in Beijing. Their museum-grade androids, featuring 26 degrees of freedom for expressive facial movements and 3.5-hour battery life, have gone viral on Chinese social media, with replicas of cultural icons like Confucius and Li Bai. Priced between $28,000 and $42,000, Yunmu's humanoids signal a growing business case for synthetic humans in the automation industry. Finally, Kepler Robotics' K2 Bumblebee stole the show on September 11th. This humanoid ran an 8-hour challenge on one charge, handling tasks like sorting and even some stunt-like moves. At 175 centimeters tall, with 52 ways to move, RL makes it adapt on the fly, like recovering from slips in a busy factory. 1 hour of charging for 8 hours of work? That's a game changer. Kepler robots streamline car factory production, performing precise tasks like welding and assembly with unmatched speed. Their advanced sensors and AI ensure flawless quality, boosting efficiency on the assembly line. Albania shook things up by appointing the world's first AI minister. This AI analyzes massive data sets to streamline policies. Think traffic flow, budgets, and more. It's like having a supercomputer in the government. But can it truly get human priorities? Share your thoughts below.
If successful, Optimus will be the biggest product ever.
Today, we're diving headfirst into the electrifying world of Tesla's Optimus Gen 3. The internet's buzzing with wild rumors and jaw-dropping claims, but we're here to separate fact from fiction. Get ready, because Elon Musk and Tesla are shattering limits and redefining the future. Let's unpack the real scoop together. First off, a quick recap for context. Optimus started as Tesla's vision for a general-purpose robot back in 2021. Think a helpful sidekick for dangerous, repetitive, or just plain boring tasks. We've seen Gen 1 and Gen 2 prototypes folding shirts, sorting blocks, and even doing yoga. But Gen 3? That's the game changer. Elon Musk calls it exquisitely designed with no significant flaws, a full redesign from Gen 2, where almost nothing stays the same. Every motor, joint, and sensor is built from scratch by Tesla's team, physics-first principles all the way. So, what makes Gen 3 so special? Picture this, a robot that's about 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighing around 125 pounds, but with the agility of a nimble human. It can walk at up to 5 miles per hour, carry 45 pounds like it's nothing. And those hands? Oh man, they've got 22 degrees of freedom, 5 fingers, 4 joints each, plus wrist action, for dexterity that's eerily human-like. We're talking cracking eggs, bartending, or dancing without missing a beat. And get this, it's powered by Tesla's onboard AI brain, straight out of the autopilot playbook, learning tasks through reinforcement learning in simulations. No more clunky movements, Gen 3 is smooth, stable, and ready for real-world chaos. Now, the big news on capabilities. Recent demos from earlier gens showed Optimus sorting objects, climbing stairs, and even self-charging autonomously, docking at stations and mapping environments, with multiple bots teaming up. For Gen 3, Elon teases so many improvements in speed, weight reduction, and battery life. It's integrating Grok AI, yes, xAI's witty assistant, for voice commands and conversations. Imagine telling your Optimus, "Hey, fold the laundry," while chatting about the weather. Prototypes are already running Grok, and by end of 2025, we'll see early versions strutting their stuff.
We're finalizing the design of Optimus version 3, and that really is going to be a very remarkable robot. It will have essentially the manual dexterity of a human, so meaning a very complex hand, an AI mind that can navigate and comprehend reality, and it will be made in very high volume.
But heads up, that shiny golden bot you might have seen last week? That's actually version 2.5, not Gen 3, Elon set the record, straight on X. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing in the robot revolution. Back in July, there was a hiccup, a 2-month pause on production, to tweak overheating issues, boost hand load capacity, extend gearbox life, and amp up battery endurance. Supply chain whispers from China suggested delays on the 10,000 unit goal for 2025, but Tesla is back on track. Pilot production kicked off at the Fremont factory earlier this year, and they're aiming for 5,000 to 12,000 units by year's end, all for internal Tesla use at first, like assembly lines and even the Tesla diner serving popcorn. Looking ahead, the timeline is ambitious. Low-volume production for Tesla internal ops by late 2025, high volume for outside companies in 2026, and scaling to 1 million units a year within 5 years? Elon says yes. Priced under $30,000 long-term, maybe even $20,000, Musk envisions Optimus tackling factory work, warehouse chores, and eventually household help, creating an age of abundance where robots handle the grunt work and boost global GDP, like electricity did a century ago. Some feats in past demos were teleoperated, but Gen 3's pushing for full autonomy. Critics say timelines slip, but Tesla's track record on hardware? Pretty solid. So, there you have it, what we know about Tesla Optimus Gen 3 as of today. It's not just a robot, it's the future walking among us. Will it hit those targets? Only time will tell, but if anyone can make humanoid helpers mainstream, it's Tesla.
The Romy robot, developed by Mixi Inc., is a palm-sized AI companion launched in June 2020, designed for emotional support and natural conversation. The latest model, Romy Lakatan, released in July 2025, enhances user interaction with advanced features. Romy uses deep learning for real-time, natural dialogue without turn-taking, a first for home-use robots. The Lakatan model features a 2.4-inch display, 1.6 GHz quad-cortex, a 53 CPU, dual-band Wi-Fi, a 120-degree camera, and a 2,875 mAh battery. Improved voice synthesis mimics human speech, with optical object recognition for contextual interactions. It recalls past conversations, sings songs, and supports multiple voice options, with more planned for winter 2025. Romi Rakuten costs 89,800 yen, including a Type-C adapter. A subscription of 1,780 yen per month, or 17,800 yen per year, is required for full functionality. It's available at shop.romi.ai and featured at the 2025 Osaka Kansai Expo. Romi combats loneliness, serving as an emotional support robot. It's used in schools, healthcare, and elderly care to encourage communication. 2025 Life Skill Training Model supports individuals with ASD and ADHD. Community trials, like one in Ina, Nagano, showed its potential to reduce isolation. Romi Rakuten won accolades at CES 2025 for robotics and accessibility. With ongoing updates, Romi remains a leader in empathetic AI companionship. SCO Summit 2025 has officially opened in Tianjin, northern China, and runs from August 31st to September 1st at the Tianjin Meijiang Convention and Exhibition Center. Leaders and officials from over 20 countries and international organizations are in attendance. A notable highlight this year is the deployment of Xiaohe, a humanoid AI robot developed by X Robots, designed to assist the media. Its presence marks a step forward in applying AI to large-scale global events. Xiaohe supports journalists with multilingual communication, Chinese, English, and Russian, real-time information processing, and emotion recognition, adapting its responses based on human cues. It also features adaptive learning and draws from an extensive knowledge base, helping it stay accurate and responsive in dynamic environments. Designed to be protocol compliant and culturally neutral, it aligns well with the formal context of the summit. Previously seen at other major events, Xiaohe continues to gain attention for its practical AI capabilities.
A global tech firm, Hexagon, has developed a humanoid robot named Ian to help address labor shortages across various industries. Ian, designed in Zurich and now in its 6th generation, will begin work in real industrial settings later this year to test its ability to support human workers. Unlike conventional industrial robots, with stationary arms, Ian is highly mobile, traveling on wheels at speeds up to 4 times faster than a human. It's outfitted with 12 cameras and 22 sensors that enable advanced mapping and situational awareness. Its capabilities include a 360-degree panoramic camera system, along with infrared, autofocus, and collision detection sensors. Ian can climb stairs, handle multiple objects simultaneously, and inspect surfaces for defects. A key feature is its imitation learning ability, allowing it to learn tasks by observing human demonstrations. Initially targeted at industrial applications, future plans include expanding into hospitality and elder care. Hexagon's Robotics Division President, Arno Robert, highlights that younger generations are less interested in manual labor, making robots like Ian crucial. As AI and hardware evolve, Bank of America predicts that humanoid robot shipments will reach 1 million units annually by 2030. Hope JR is a full-sized, open-source humanoid robot estimated to cost only $3,000, a fraction of what most humanoids cost today. It features 66 actuated degrees of freedom, allowing it to walk, move its arms, and perform complex physical tasks typically reserved for much more expensive, closed-source machines. Its fully open-source design means researchers, developers, and hobbyists can build, modify, and understand the system inside and out. Eston Codroid, the robotics division of industrial automation giant Eston, has unveiled its latest humanoid robot, the Quadroid 2. Developed in Nanjing, this second-generation robot is built to enhance industrial automation by combining physical strength with intelligent task handling. Standing 170 centimeters tall and weighing 70 kilograms, Quadroid 2 features 31 degrees of freedom for agile, human-like movement. Each arm can lift up to 5 kilograms, making it suitable for dynamic factory tasks. At its core, Quadroid 2 runs on Eston Quadroid's VLA large language model, allowing it to interpret commands naturally and collaborate efficiently with both humans and other robots. This capability is key for adaptive, multi-robot production environments. Quadroid 2 is designed for a wide range of industrial tasks, such as material handling, component picking, screw fastening, and quality inspections, helping reduce human workload, minimize errors, and increase productivity. Leveraging Eston's global expertise in collaborative robotics, Quadroid 2 marks a major step forward in intelligent humanoid systems, positioning Eston Quadroid as a serious player in the fast-growing industrial robotics market. The Helix Humanoid is a state-of-the-art robotic innovation, revolutionizing logistics through its human-like design, advanced AI, and mechanical precision. Designed to perform complex tasks such as sorting, packaging, lifting, and maneuvering in dynamic environments, it combines robotics and artificial intelligence to offer unmatched adaptability, safety, and efficiency. Equipped with articulated limbs, sensors, and machine learning capabilities, the Helix Humanoid can operate independently, while integrating with existing logistics systems, to optimize workflows and reduce human exposure to hazards. It supports human-robot collaboration, allowing workers to focus on creative and decision-driven tasks, ultimately increasing productivity and safety. Its deployment marks a shift toward data-driven, responsive logistics operations, significantly lowering costs and improving throughput. More than just replacing manual labor, Helix represents a future where robotics enhance and complement the human workforce, encouraging innovation and sustainable industrial growth.